Howdy folks, another snowstorm for the year. This one, it's still coming down. I just stepped outside to check to see how much is actually fallen, and I could hardly open my front door. You can see, just to give you an idea how much snow fell. I just cleared that, and there's my foot. So there's a lot of snow there. I'm gonna clear a path over to my car. It's over in the woods there, in the parking spot. But it's still blowing and blustering. It's pretty crazy. So once I dig a path out that way, I'll see what my car looks like. Okay, so cleared out a path to my car. Let's go see what it looks like. That's not the worst I've seen it this year. It's pretty mild, to be honest. The other snowstorm we had earlier this year, it was totally covered, like you could not see any part of the car at all. It was up as far as the tires. So, and it was heavy snow too. This here is really light, dusty kind of snow. A bit of a snow drift hanging off the side. Alright, so I'm going to try to brush it off while getting as little snow inside as possible. Alright. Whew! That wind is strong and it's cold. And there we have it. Uncovered. The thing is, I got a whole bunch of snow to clear away again. Holy cow. And there's more coming down, so I'll have to do this again later on. Anyway, it's winter in New Brunswick. Gotta live with it, I guess. Alright. So stay warm and clear off your car before it gets to be a big issue. Cheers.